Bonjour and bienvenue à tous. This is Deepti, Directrice of Here and Now, the French Institute. I welcome you after a long time to another episode on Happy Learning French series. We've taken the needed break, but a lot of our followers wanted to know our content for learning French. Hence, we've made a comeback, once again with a bang. Today's topic is Imparfait. We have 3 important points on Imparfait for you. What is Imparfait? The formation of Imparfait and how it is used. Imparfait, as the name suggests, it is imperfect. Imparfait is nothing but the past continuous tense in English. According to the definition of Grammarly, past continuous tense, or also called the past progressive tense, refers to a continuing action or a state happening at a point in time in the past. There are many situations in which imparfait might be used in a sentence. It is often used to describe conditions that existed in the past. For example, pendant mon enfance, je jouais avec mes voisins.
Ring around the rosy, a pocket full of posies. Ashes, ashes, we all fall down. Buttercup, buttercup, we all stand up.
In English, it was during my childhood I was playing with my neighbors. Number 2, formation. It is very simple to form imparfait. All that we have to do is take a verb, conjugate it in the present tense of the new form, which is the first person plural. Then the ONS ending should be removed and we just have to add the following endings: RES, RES, RET, EONS, EEZ, REENT. For example, let's take the verb prendre. Prendre, which means to take. In the present form, it is conjugated as nous prenons. We remove the ending ONS and add RES for je and tu, RET for il and elle, EONS for nous, EEZ for vous, and finally REENT for il and elle. So here we have the imparfait conjugation ready. Je prenais, tu prenais, il prenait, elle prenait, nous prenions, vous preniez, il prenait, elle prenait. Let's see some more examples. Les verbes penser, parler, écouter, finir, grandir, choisir, répondre, attendre et vendre. However, every rule has its own exceptions. For example, être, manger, etc. To find out more and deepen your understanding, download our PDF on Imparfait in French. Now it's time for the point number 3. Let's see its usage. I'm going to narrate a small portion of my past, that is, my childhood. And the story goes this way.
Il était une fois, il y avait une campagne. Là vivait une très 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 belle fille du monde.
Ok. C'est pas très très belle, mais une belle fille. C'était moi.
Quand elle était petite, elle habitait à la campagne. La campagne pour elle, c'était très intéressant. Il n'y avait ni de cinéma, ni de boutique, mais il y avait beaucoup de beaux arbres et beaucoup de vaches. Ses parents adoraient faire des promenades pendant des heures avec leurs chiens. Mais elle préférait lire ses livres d'Alexandre Dumas ou Émile Zola. Elle voulait devenir écrivain.
So the story conveyed not only my past life, but also the usage of imparfait, how imparfait can be used. Please download our PDF with a detailed explanation and practicing exercises with answers on imparfait. The link you will find in the description box. With that being said, we have come to an end of this episode and Please stay tuned for more such content on learning French. Also, like and share if you found the video informative and educative. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until then, this is Deepti, Directrice of Here and Now the French Institute. Au revoir and happy learning French.